Okay, good day. The last topic for midterm will focus on factoring. So, I will just be discussing basic factorization. So, we have three basic factorization. Kindly refer to your handouts number 10, if I'm not mistaken. So, basic factorization, we have three. We have the use of common factor, the use of special product, the last one is the groupings. So, let's start. So, how are we going to factor? And before we proceed with that, so when we say factoring, it is a process of decomposing or simplifying the given expressions. So, how are we going to do it? So, let's start on factoring using common factors. So, I will just proceed on the examples. So let's factor out 2mx squared plus xmy squared plus xmy. So the first thing that you need to do in factoring using common factor is, so number one, identify first the common factors. So the common factors is x, m. So because all of them contains x and m. Another thing is xm. Second one, if you think that you already listed down all the possible common factor, you have to identify the GCF. GCF refers to the greatest common factor. So among the three, the greatest is xm. Kasi compare mo dun sa dalawa. Yung dalawa is comprises of single terms lang naman, isang variable lang. Unlike dun sa xm, since it is comprises of two variables na pinagsama. So we can consider the GCF of the given is xm. Next, paano natin siya gagawin? Paano natin siya i-factor out? So, ang gagawin mo lang is, you will just divide the terms by the GCF. So, sulat ko lang siya dito. So, 2mx squared plus xmy squared plus xmy, divide it by the GCF xm. So, simplify lang natin. 2mx squared divided by xm is equal to 2x plus xmy squared divided by xm. So, matitira na lang is y squared. 2. The last one, xmy divided by xm, matitira na lang is y. So, ang final answer is this one. So, let's have another example. So, another example. So, let's have 4m ny plus 2mn. So, identify muna natin yung common factor nila. So, sa numbers, pareho silang divisible by 2. Sa letters, present ang m, present n. Then, pwede rin natin ilagay yung 2m, 2n, o kaya naman, yung pinakahuli, 2mn. Pero kung halimbawa, kabisado mo na siya, yung steps natin, pwedeng kahit hindi mo na i-list yung common factors nila, pwede ka nang magtuloy sa GCF. So, tinignan natin yung common factor. Ang GCF niya is 2mn. Tapos, divide na natin siya doon sa GCF. So, divided by 2mn. So, ang answer dito ay 2y plus 1. Yan yung final answer. Then, a-attach mo ngayon yung GCF niya. So, kanina dapat ganun din. Nakalimutan ko lang. So, attach mo lang yung GCF na 2mn. Ano yung purpose ng pag-attach ng GCF? Kasi gagamitin mo yan sa checking. Kung walang GCF o kung hindi mo i-attach yung GCF nila, magiging mali yung sagot. Kasi kailangan kapag chinek natin, lalabas itong given natin. So, paano natin chinecheck? You may use FOIL method or distributive method. So, another example. Let's have 2y squared plus xy cubed. So, ang GCF nila is y squared. So, another thing na dapat tandaan sa pagpili ng GCF, dapat yung greatest exponent mo, greatest common factor na exponent mo is hindi dapat aangat o tataas dun sa lowest exponent ng given. Example, ang lowest exponent sa given natin is y squared. So, hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng y cubed as a GCF kasi magkakaroon ka ng negative exponent at ina-avoid natin yun. So, it's a no-no na gumamit ka ng ganun. Now, divide mo both sides by the GCF. So, ang sagot ay 2 plus xy. Then, attach mo ngayon yung GCF na ginamit mo, which is y squared. So, ganun lang, kadali. So, next na tayo. Next is factoring using special product. So, kung kabisado mo na yung pattern ni special product, pagdating dito sa factoring using special product, hindi ka na mahihirapan. So, example, I asked you to factor out x squared minus 4. So, paano mo siya i-factor out? Number 1, identify mo muna kung anong special product siya. Since ito is a perfect square din to. So, papasok siya dun sa difference of 2 squares. So, paano natin siya ngayon i-factor out? Kunin mo yung root ng una. So, ang root ng una is x raised to 2. Ang root nito is, 2 raised to 2. Then, sundan mo lang yung pattern natin. Sa difference of 2 square, ang pattern natin. So, if you have a square minus b square, ang magiging factor niya dapat should be in the form a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So, pag kinuha natin yung sagot nito, it will be equal to x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. So, another example. Let's factor out x squared, y squared, minus 9. So, kunin natin yung root. So, this is the root of this one, or the square root of this one is xy raised to 2. Then, the square root of negative 9 is 3 raised to 2. Then, paghiwalayin lang natin ng parenthesis. xy plus 3, xy minus 3. Ganun lang kasimple. So, proceed tayo sa susunod na examples. Example. So, next. So, next example, I have m cubed minus 8. Kanina, square lang siya. Ngayon, raised to 3 na siya. So, ibig sabihin, papasok siya sa sum and difference of 2 cubes. Sa sum and difference of 2 cube, again, ang pattern natin, kung ang sagot is a cube minus b cube, or kaya naman a cube plus b cube, kapag ka minus a minus b multiplied by a plus ab plus b square. Sorry, may square dyan. So, next, kapag ka a cube plus b cube, ang pattern natin is a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. So, apply natin dun sa given. So, pag in-apply ko dun sa given, ang mangyayari, kukunin ko muna yung perfect root nito. So, this is equal to m raised to 3, and cube root ni 8 is 2, kasi equal siya sa 2 times 2 times 2. So, yan yung perfect cube root niya. Then, susundin ko lang yung pattern. Ito yung magiging a ko, ito yung magiging b. So, based from the pattern, since minus to, susundin ko yung pattern sa taas. A minus b, meaning m minus 2 multiplied by a square. M square is m square plus a times b. M times 2 is 2m plus b square. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Yan na yung sagot. Gets? Isa pang example. So, lagyan naman natin siya ng add. Baguhin naman natin. Gawin natin addition. Gawin natin x cube. X cube plus y raised to 6. Again, kunin muna natin yung cube root niya. So, ang cube root nito is x raised to 3. Ang cube root ni y raised to 6 is y square raised to 3. Next, susundin ko lang yung pattern. So, since add siya, ito naman yung nasa baba. Susundin ko. So, ito yung magiging a ko, ito yung magiging b. A plus b, x plus y square multiplied by a square is x square minus abx multiplied by y squared is xy square. Then, b square or y square raised to 2, it will become y raised to 4. So, mas madali siyang gawin kung susundin mo lang yung pattern. Kaya, huwag kang malilito. So, medyo kabisaduhin lang natin kasi magagamit natin siya hanggang sa dulo. Next, pwede mo sagutin yung exercises kung gusto mo, kasi gagamitin ko yung score mo doon as sheet work. So, next example. So, bubarahin ko na to. So, next example, halimbawa, you were given x squared plus 6xy plus 9y square. So, again, identify mo. So, pwede siyang pumasok sa square of binomial. Recall lang natin. Sa square of binomial, ang pattern na sinusunod natin, square of binomial. So, dalawa yan. We have, kung ang sagot is in the form a square minus 2b, 2ab, sorry, minus 2ab plus b square 2. Pero kung ang sagot is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, ang pattern na susundin natin is a plus b raised to 2. So, sagutan natin. So, since yung answer natin, pwede siyang pumasok dito sa pangalawang pattern. So, paano natin gagawin? So, simple lang. Ang focus mo lang dapat is ito, tsaka yung dulo. Wala nang iba. Yun lang. So, now, gagawin natin, kunin natin yung a muna. Square root ng a mo is x lang. Square root ng b mo is 3y. Then, lalagyan mo lang siya ng square sa taas. Ganun lang kasimple. Another example. So, another set of example. So, let's have m square minus 6mn plus 9n square. So, square root mo ulit yung una. Square root mo yung dulo. Then, lagyan, minus pala since minus yung una. So, minus. Then, lagyan mo ng square. Ganun lang kadali. So, again, ang focus mo kapag ka SOB, square of binomial, yung una, tsaka yung dulo lang. Kukunin mo lang yung square root. Then, kung ano yung symbol, nasusundin mo, kung ano yung unang symbol na given, yun yung magiging symbol ng factors mo. Since dito, ang unang binigay is addition, sa factor mo, ang symbol niya, addition. Now, kung ang product mo, ang naunang operation is negative, sa factoring mo, ang magiging operation, minus 10. So, okay? So, now, paano kung halimbawa, maramihan naman yung given. So, hindi siya pwede ng special product. Hindi rin siya pwedeng gamitan ng common factor. Gagamit ka na ngayon nung groupings. So, example, you have 5x squared plus 2x minus 5xy minus 2y. So, meron tayong dalawang method na pwedeng gamitin. So, steps muna tayo. Number 1, group muna natin. Siyempre, pag group natin yung similar. So, we have 5x squared 5xy plus 2x and 2y. Next, factor natin yung common factor nung group natin. So, common factor nito is 5x. So, ang matitira sa loob is x minus y. Dito, ang common factor is 2. So, matitira sa loob is x minus y. Yung last na gagawin natin, pa-factor out uli natin kung ano yung common sa kanila. Ang common sa dalawang given is x minus y. So, kopyahin mo lang. And then, yung natira, which is 5x and 2, pagsasamahin mo lang sa loob ng parenthesis. So, ganun lang, kasimple. O, kaya naman, kung halimbawa, your given is in this form, have 4x squared minus y square plus 4x plus 1. So, again, unang gagawin, i-group mo muna. So, pwede nating i-group dito is si 4x square, si 4x, tsaka si 1. So, ang hihiwalay natin sa group is si negative y square. So, medyo tricky lang when it comes to groupings kasi you still need to analyze kung paano mo ba siya group, kung i-group mo ba siya by 2 terms or by 3 terms. Yun lang naman yung tricky doon. Pero yung other concerns o yung other procedures, medyo madali naman na. So, since ito is a kind of special product, gamitan natin ng special product. So, this will become 2x plus 1 square. Ay no, simplify na lang natin, minus y square. So, kapag sinimplify natin to, since lahat naman sila in a form of square, so pwede kong sabihin that this is equal to 2x plus 1 plus y, yung isa 2x plus 1 minus y. So, para lumabas yung negative, kaya magkaiba yung symbol. So, ganun lang naman kasimple yung factoring using special products. So, that's the end of my lessons. Kindly answer the exercises. So, gawin mo, sagutan mo, lagay mo sa yellow paper, lagay mo dun yung solution, scan mo, o kaya naman kung makakapunta ka sa school, much better, then ipasa mo sa akin. Kung hindi naman, kahit ipascan mo na lang yung papel na nilagyan mo ng solution, then forward mo sa email ko or sa Edmodo kung kakayanan. So, thank you and good luck.